All right, 6:43 now this Saturday morning, and if you've been listening to us talk, you've been hearing this guy drop the dreaded F word, which is frost, because it's coming.
It's pretty crazy, Sam. Up until this point in the fall, we have not dropped into the 30s in Portland.
Crazy.
So when we do that tonight, it'll be the latest date on record to finally get that cool. So finally, fall is
showing up for
us.
us.
Really here. And next week, you're going to be sick of the weather. I mean, it's not going to be great next week. We'll start you off this morning with a live look up in the Katahdin region. This is Millinocket, where it's 42 degrees right now. Yeah, we do have some clouds mixing in out there. Farther to the south in Portland, it is cloudy as well at this point, and the headlines for the weekend show it will be a cooler weekend, but there will be more sun, especially tomorrow. And even this afternoon, I think we'll see some partial sunshine developing. Big changes next week, though. Cloudier and weather will be moving in, and the soaking rain is expected next week. Several inches of rain are possible through the whole week, depending on just how quickly a storm moves through our region. We'll talk about that in just a moment. 43 right now in Bangor, 41 in Waterville, into the 30s in the mountains, 30 right now in Rangeley, and 46 from Portland down to Sanford. Sky is mostly cloudy out there this morning, and there's a weak area of high pressure to our north, and that will actually bring us pretty good weather for the weekend. So a mostly cloudy sky out there through the morning, but I think this afternoon we'll go from a mostly cloudy sky to a partly cloudy one. So more sun developing, especially over southern and western Maine this afternoon. I can't rule out a brief sprinkle or light shower on the mid and down east coast, but not too much to worry about at all. And temperatures today finally much closer to where they should be this time of the year. We'll have highs that are mainly in the mid-50s across the region. Tonight it gets chilly. First frost of the season likely in many areas. We're dropping into the 30s overnight tonight. So finally the mosquitoes, the flies, they may not make it after tonight in some spots. Pretty crazy at this point in October. We're still dealing with those things around here. Then tomorrow, after a chilly start, turns out to be a great day. A mostly sunny sky. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the mid to even upper 50s in some spots. May get close to 60 down around Kittery and Portsmouth. Early next week, though, is when things start to change. On Monday, we'll have rain developing, especially in southern and central Maine. Northern Maine should stay dry on Monday. And Monday morning, it may be cold enough for some snowflakes to mix in the higher elevations of western Maine and northern New Hampshire. Then this storm swells up over us, it looks like, on Tuesday, with periods of heavy rain, possibly some gusty winds, too. And then it looks like this storm may get cut off from the jet stream. And what that means is it really has nothing to push it along. So it may hang around here and kind of weaken and unravel over us Wednesday and Thursday, and that would mean continued showers too. And if that's the case, we'll really add up the rainfall over that 4 or 5 day period. It looks like we'll at least see between 2 and 4 inches of rain, but amounts could top 5 inches if the storm slows down and sits over us. As for the snow on the front end of that Monday morning, likely to see some coatings up in the high elevations. Seas today will be around 2 to 3 feet with a northerly wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming northwesterly this afternoon. Temperatures in the 50s this weekend, more sunshine tomorrow, and make sure you enjoy that sun. It's cloudy and chilly in the 40s with showers on Monday. Rain and wind look likely on Tuesday. And at this point, I think that storm will hang around for Wednesday and Thursday too, with showers and a lot of clouds as well. So some rain on the way. Make sure you enjoy the weekend, Sam.
Yeah, for sure. All right. Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.